Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to export ClickUp docs to PDF, a handy feature you'll need to share your work outside of ClickUp. First up, navigate to the document you want to export. You'll find this in the Docs Home section, where all your documents live. Keep in mind that this step is crucial because you can't start the export process without first selecting the document. Now that we've done that, you'll see a More Options button represented by 3 vertical dots on the upper right-hand side of your document. Click on it. This helps us because it opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options, including our next step, the Export option. Next up, click on the Export option in the drop-down menu. Once you've done this, a new dialog box will pop up. The reason we do this is because it allows us to choose our preferred export format. In this case, we're interested in the PDF format. Go ahead and select PDF as your export format. Once you've done this, you'll notice a Start Export button appear. Clicking on this button will initiate the export process. This is important because it allows us to convert the ClickUp document into a portable, universally accepted PDF file that can be easily shared and opened on any device. Now, wait for the export process to complete. It usually takes a few seconds, but it could take longer depending on the size of your document. When it's done, ClickUp will automatically download the PDF file to your device. Let me explain why this matters. Having the PDF on your device allows you to access it offline, email it, or upload it to another platform, giving you more flexibility. And there you have it. That's how you export a ClickUp doc to a PDF. Remember, every step we've covered is essential, from selecting your document to waiting for the export to complete. This way, you can easily share your ClickUp docs in a more accessible and widely accepted format. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy ClickUpping!